Was good. New pickup from Adidas. This is the Palace and Adidas drop. I was able to pick up the shoes from the collection. Failed on the clothing. Wanted the jerseys, man. Jerseys are sick. Adidas Palace. Size 7, Palace indoor, color is white, navy, gold. Size 7. I like my stuff snug. My shoe snug. This is a better colorway out of the black and white, but I copped the black and white as well. Here you go. Blue suede, red suede, gold Palace. Palace on the back has that boost. Nice touch. So more comfort when you step on it, the heel. All white insole with Palace. Tri-furred. Here's the tongue. Super sick. Simple shoe. Come with navy laces with Palace on the lace tips. Same for these as well. Get this out. There, red. Palace. Here's a shoe. Just clean, simple. Has suede on the back of the heel as well. Navy. Says Palace. Just a clean shoe. Picked this up last Friday, which was the drop. And yeah, toe box. Has vents right here so your feet can breathe, so it won't stink. But yeah, another unboxing. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. See you guys on Friday. Got another pickup video coming. So, peace.